Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are installing a system today for a customer, and it's freezing outside, so she needed a new system. It was all 20 years old, and we needed a new one. So this is that's the air handler. It just turned on. The cover is right here. That down there is the filter base, and they have a new thermostat. New thermostat here as well, and we're gonna go outside and look at the another truck. Here's another truck. Gonna go look at the one here. Here's a new one. We're putting a vacuum. We're removing all the humidity from the system. That's a new one right there. And the old condenser is customer's house. These three-wheelers in a while. Oh, here we go, right here. Here's the old one. Here is the old condenser and the old air handler. You can see a lot of build. It was really bad. It burnt last night. So call for all your air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, see you guys in the next video. All right, have a good one.